Subway platforms in New York City are slippery for a reason, and most of the time, that reason is negligence. Wet tile from rain tracked in by thousands of riders, leaking pipes overhead, spilled coffee left for hours, cracked yellow safety strips, oil from maintenance equipment. When the MTA fails to clean, repair, or warn, and you go down hard on that platform, you have legal options. I handle subway platform slip and fall cases throughout the 5 boroughs. These claims are different from a typical slip and fall because you're suing the New York City Transit Authority, which means strict deadlines. You generally have just 90 days to file a notice of claim, and a hearing demand can come fast after that. Miss those windows, and your case is over before it starts. If you fell on a subway platform at Times Square, Atlantic Avenue, 125th Street, or any station in the system, do not wait. Get photos, get witness names, get medical care, and then call my office. Let's protect your rights before that 90-day clock runs out.